What's up, travelers? It's Eliz from Means to Travel, back with another travel tip for our series on this channel called Travel Tip Tuesdays. So for those of you who don't recognize this background, maybe weren't on our live stream this past week, we are currently at an Airbnb here in Cornwall in southwestern England, and this particular Airbnb, we have to take off our shoes every time that we come in and out of the house. So there's no shoes allowed when you're walking around the house. A lot of people have that kind of rule all over the world. And what I always wear when I'm at my home in America is that I'll have house slippers that I'll wear around the house in order to keep my feet warm. But those take up a ton of room in my suitcase. So what I bring when I travel are things like this. So these are slipper socks. I actually got these when I was in the hospital, but you can buy them on Amazon as well. And they have little grippies on the bottom of the socks, so that way they help you not slip and slide on, say, wood floors or tile floors. And they act a little bit like slippers while keeping your feet warm. So I always opt for bringing those instead of just really thick socks in order to avoid slipping and sliding on potential kitchen floors or staircases, etc. So I don't know if any of you guys also use these too. If you do, please feel free to leave a comment below and say yes, totally. Or if these are brand new to you, definitely let us know as well. If you have any other tips, feel free to comment below. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more travel tips, travel vlogs, travel content in general to come. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers. Happy travels. Bye. So one funny story from when I got these in the hospital is that when I was talking to the nurse, I mentioned how much I absolutely love these socks for travel, and they were like, oh, we'll give you a few of them. So I was able to take home several. But for those of you who fortunately do not have a hospital stay coming up, definitely order them on Amazon.
Hey travelers, don't forget to subscribe and let's hang out more. Here are some links to other helpful travel videos on my channel, and press that notification bell so you don't miss any new and awesome travel videos to come.